We have here this, I think it's a 2013 Jetta TDI. You can see on the back of this car, it is coated with oil. And that means this car was driven for a little while with a significant enough oil leak underneath to where the oil swirls around underneath and it gets onto the back of the car. Seems weird if you're not familiar with it, but I've seen it for years. So engine oil leaks, transmission oil leaks all end up like that. The customer was driving down the road, lost all oil pressure, and shut the car off, hopefully immediately. But although the back of the car doesn't seem to be showing that he shut it off immediately. And then, what'd you find underneath there? You got that cover off?
Yep. And what do you know? Got a drain plug.
Sitting on top of the
belly pan.
Belly pan is a drain plug. That ain't good. Well, if you could just put that drain plug in and fill it up with engine oil, we'll see if the engine's okay, see if it lost a turbo or not. You gotta love a guy who's not only a good mechanic, but he's a smart person. He identifies a need, and he cares enough to just take care of it. Doesn't have to be told. Are you ready to start this thing up and see if it's okay?
Yes, I am.
Maybe the motor's seized up, maybe the turbo's bad, or maybe they got lucky.
Alright.
Say a little prayer first. Wow. Maybe they got lucky. I don't want to wish ill upon anybody. I definitely did not want this engine to be seized up. Wipers are up. See if they'll close if I close the hood. Can you turn? Pop the hood again. I guess double check the engine oil, and you want to drive this?
Yeah.
And be sure to take your cell phone with you in case it seizes up. Get it under boost a few times, because you know turbo can fail due to low oil pressure long before the engine will. How'd it do?
Good. It ain't had straight at all. No lack of power, no weird noises, no light. Going great.
Well, maybe they got lucky.
Yep.
Double check the engine oil and then put it out front. I'll call them. Okay, I believe this is a 2012, but it's of that generation, even if it's not exactly a 2012. It's a common rail TDI, and we're doing a time build on it right now. And I just wanted to show that Volkswagen never learns. They put these foam things on Mark IVs. They put these foam things on Mark IVs and they cause the fenders to rust. Literally right there. Literally right there. And they're still putting a piece of foam there. Why is this a problem? Take a look at this. Look how much water that holds. Just stupid. It's obviously going to make the car rust. And some of you may remember that the Mark IVs had a rust warranty added, like a special warranty added because of the damage there, and there was a class action lawsuit. And so Volkswagen had to warranty those for an extended period of time. I just can't believe how stupid this is. And here's an example of a Mark IV with the foam inside there with the rust hole. And here's a Mark V with a big rust hole with a piece of foam there. Caused it to rust out. There's another Mark V with some rust. Here's the other side of that Mark V with some rust. Here's a couple good YouTube channels you should watch. Thomas XO VCDS and DJ Sterling Garage. But another one you should watch is Dave Sturl. Dave Sturl in his YouTube channel, I'll link to it below, and I'll probably put a link up in the cards also. He did a video on this package of stuff that's inside these coolant reservoirs, and this is the first one I've seen here but they have a tendency to break apart, and then the stuff inside them clogs off stuff in the coolant system, and he's seen that a few times, and he's recommending pulling this thing out, and I totally agree with that. And so I'm trying to pull this one out on this one, but I want to do it without breaking it open. There we go. I don't know if you can tell what that is, but it's just a whole bunch of little bitty balls, and if this packet breaks open, then those balls go everywhere and clog off things like the heater core and the radiator and the little small hoses like this. So you definitely don't want that happening. If you like this video or learned anything from it, click the like button. And if you want to contribute to the continued production of these videos, find the donate icon on my website at www.kansascitytdi.com. And please do me a favor, don't call me for tech help. Post your questions in the comments down below. And if you want to watch some more of my videos, there's one right there and one right there. And don't forget to subscribe.